Hi guys, I am going to introduce the assembly of HTC One X or HTC One 801 and first remove the button, volume button coming in this left side by using Tusa or something like this. Just tip like this, remove this. After that, just hit the phone by force side. I just keep this one in 450 degree. So just keep heating the whole body, especially this side, okay. And after that, heat it by force side, and after just keep a tool like this and try to open the phone by try to slide like this, okay. Okay, just keep hitting the phone from this side, okay. And from here, just keep pressing the tail from here, okay. And after, start eating from here, okay. After that, just try to fix like that, like this. After that, from here, just like this. Keep eating this fourth side. At last, try to pull this like this, okay. So it's very simplest way to open.